Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue the action cannot be completed because the folder or a file is opened in another program. So I'll be explaining you the reason as well as three possible solutions how to solve this issue. So the main reason why this error is coming is because you are trying to delete a particular file or a folder which is running in the background. So for example, in my case, I'm trying to delete this demo test folder. But the issue is this particular folder is open in my Visual Studio Code or like an editor. And as you can see, this folder is in use at the moment. So directly we cannot go and delete a folder which is currently in use by any other application or software in our system. So the simplest of all solutions is first closing the use or terminating the use of that file and folder, then going and delete it. So as you can see, in my case, this is open here. So I'll just close it. And now if I just click on try again, that particular folder gets deleted. So this is the first way. Just close it, that particular software you think that folder or file is opened, then try deleting it. Let's see the second solution. Imagine in case if you are trying to delete some folders from BlueStacks. In that case, BlueStacks could be opened in the background. So here you'll be getting a symbol like this. You need to just right click and exit it so that it completely goes off even in the background process. Or else what you can do is you can just right click, select task manager, and here you need to search for that particular application whose files or folders you are going to delete. You need to basically like select it and click on end task. So you need to select this end task by selecting that particular thing you are trying to delete it. You just need to like select and click on end task. This will terminate it, and then you need to like delete it. So this is the second option, and the third option is going to be the simplest of all. Basically you just need to restart your system, and then without opening that application, just try deleting it. So by restarting and using it again, you are not opening that application, and that application won't be running in the background. So easily you can restart, and the first thing that you do is delete it. So these are some of the solutions, guys. I hope you like this video. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.